Hi, this is Amanda Paget back with you for Pretty Presets to delve a little deeper into the library module. Now this is just going to be an overview of the library module, and then there'll be subsequent videos that dig deeper into each little facet like collections and keywords and stuff like that. So this is the library module where you're going to manage 5, 10, 15, 20, 30,000 pictures. All right, you're going to start small and then build in. And there's different panels on the left-hand side, and this is really just all about grouping of photos. So the catalog, these are the pictures that Lightroom knows about, and generally you want to work with one catalog. So don't create a new catalog every time you import. Please do not do that. I've known people who made that mistake, and it was a big pain for them to try and merge all those. But generally you want one catalog, maybe two, like one for private, personal use, and one for professional if you're a professional photographer. But generally one, because you can organize with collections and keywords within the one catalog. So that's the catalog. And then we have the folders. These are just the folders that are on your computer. These are the folders that are on your hard drive. And if you have other hard drives, so you can see these are past hard drives that Lightroom knows about. Lexar, Seagate 2, Seagate 3, Seagate White Workhorse. It's what I named it that. I've hooked up my phone, iPad, and then other Lightroom CC device. That's funny, that's there. But so these are just drives that Lightroom has accessed. Then we have our collections, and we'll talk about collections later. This is just grouping of photos within Lightroom. Over here on the right hand side are more things that we're going to do to the images individually, or data that the images have. So there's a little bit of quick develop we'll go into later. We've got our histogram with information about each individual picture. Keywording, where you can add keywords if you did not add them in the import. When you import, whatever you put there is applied to all of your images that are in that one import. So if you have 5,000 pictures and you put in 3 keywords, it's going to apply to all of them. Here you can add keywords individually or as a group. Keyword list, so we can sort. I have a ton of keywords, so it's easier for me just to type in and sort it, and we'll talk about keywords later. And then metadata is information per picture, like the ISO that was used, the lens, the date, the location, things like that. On the bottom is our film strip. We've talked about that before. It's just whatever your last import or the collection you clicked on. Like I'm in a particular collection right now, or it can be the keywords you clicked on. And that's what's in your film strip. And then here at the bottom is your toolbar, and this is real important. If you're missing this, just hit T on your keyboard. So I hit T on my keyboard and it went away. If I just hit T again, it comes back. You can customize what you see here by clicking the little triangle on the far right side once your toolbar is showing. Click on it and then just click to what you want to see, or so like I don't know how rotate went away, but there it was gone and I just brought it back. If you're seeing something you don't want to see, then you can just turn it off by, let's say, color label. I turn it off and the color label goes away. But this toolbar is real important. Last thing is your view. Right now we're seeing the grid view, and the loop view is 1. So that's what loop view means. You're going to see 1. And you can hit E on your keyboard. See the shortcut there? If I hover over it, it's not going to come back. So if you want to do the grid view, you hit G. So then I see multiple at once. If I want to see the loop view, I hit E. So I'm going to go back to the grid view by hitting G. And over here on the far side, you can change the size of your thumbnail to be really big or really small. Okay? If you're not seeing that, just come in here and make sure that this is checked, and it'll pop up for you. But there you go, a very quick tour of the library module.